All right, so this is the recording for Limmingyang, also from my Malaysian students from the Vision School. So here we go. Oh, actually.
What was the best part of the STEM Compass Camp?
The best part of the STEM Compass Camp for me is that there is someone there to teach you personally if you don't understand how it works or the code about the HTML.
What topic did you love the most and why?
I love how to make. I love making a website. It tests my brain. It tests my thinking skill and my creativity for making a website.
What new skills did you learn?
I learned how to implement my creativity, my thinking and my math skill on code on HTML to make a website.
What was it about the STEM Compass Camp that was different from other camps you may have been in before?
This is my first time joining an online camp. So for me, this is very interesting and fun to join an online camp as I can learn a lot of things, new things.
Did what you learned at the camp inspire your love of STEM even more?
Yes. Yes, I learned that it is interesting and fun when you have completed a project.
Can you tell us one thing you learned?
Python, which I never heard before or learned before.
What do you plan to do when you grow up?
I plan to be a game maker.
Would you recommend this camp to your friends? If so, why?
Yes, this camp has taught me a lot. I would recommend this to my friends because this camp can teach you the fun way of doing coding.